Hey guys, welcome back. So this is one of the most highly requested videos on my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I create my intense brown smoky eyed look. So first of all, you can see I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just applying that all over my eyelids as a primer. So this is going to give a base to your eyeshadows, and it's also going to even out the skin on your eyelids. Then I'm taking my all-time favorite matte eyeshadow palette, and this is the Tartelette palette, and you can tell from its condition that I use this palette all the time. So I'm taking this light warm bone shade and I'm applying that all over my eyelids to set the concealer and also to give a smooth base for the rest of the eyeshadows. Next, I'm taking this pinkish brown shade and I'm applying that all over my crease area and blending it out. And this may not look like a lot right now, but it's going to make a big difference later on. So this is basically the transition shade. Then I'm taking this very soft neutral brown shade and I'm going right over my crease and slightly blending that out into the previous shade. So you guys know that smoky eyes is all about blending. You want to take your time and just blend. So next I've taken this warm dark brown shade and I'm applying that right on top of my crease, and I'm also sort of slightly softening out the edges. And you want to keep blending till the edges look seamless and they just melt into the previous shade. So now I'm taking the darkest brown from the palette and I'm just packing it on all over my eyelids using this flat brush by Sigma. And all of the brushes I'm using today are from the Copper Brush Collection by Sigma. Absolutely love my Sigma brushes. So yeah, as you can see, I am packing the color on and then I'm taking this very fine pointed blending brush and just blending out the edges. I'm using this very pointy brush because I don't want to over blend the eyeshadows. And if you feel like you want more intensity, you can go ahead and keep packing on more of the eyeshadow. So next up I'm taking this light shade again and I'm just going over my eyebrows, and this is going to soften out the previous shadows, and it's also going to highlight your brow bone. Then I'm taking the blackest, most creamiest eyeliner by Sugar and I'm tight lining both my lower and upper waterline with it. And I'm also roughly going over my lash line, and then taking an angled brush, I'm just smudging the liner out to give it that very soft sort of effect. I don't want any harsh eyeliner for this look. And then I'm just taking more of the dark brown eyeshadow and going over the black liner that we just applied, and then taking the fluffy blending brush, just blending out everything one more time. So next I'm going to take some cotton buds and dip that into my micellar water and just clean out any fallouts or any untidiness that is there under my eyes. So I forgot to mention I had applied my foundation before doing my eyes, but I always like to do my concealer after doing my eye makeup, especially when I'm doing a smoky eyed look, because it can get quite messy. So as you can see, I'm just applying my highlighting concealer and then baking my under eye a bit using two of my favorite powders. Next I'm taking this super tiny blending brush and taking some of that warm brown shade again. I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line, just blend out the black a bit. Then taking my eyeliner again, I'm just darkening out my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my favorite highlighter, Mary Loumanizer, and oh my gosh, this is like the softest powder. I've fixed it so many times but it keeps breaking. So I'm taking this powder to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, the tear duct area, and this just adds so much of light to the eyes. After that, I'm just curling my lashes and applying some of that new mascara by Maybelline. It's called the Falsies Push-Up Drama or something. I will leave all of the details down in the description box. And as you guys know, smoky eyed look is always incomplete without false lashes. So today I'm using my 213 lashes by Pack. And after that, I just went ahead and added some Kiko lip liner to outline my lips, and I filled it in with a nude lipstick by Colourpop. It's a peachy nude lipstick. It's called Screenshot. And that is the completed look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.